Hi, this is Martha here at my channel, Nalinka Sims, with my third video, joining in with Saturday Morning Makes, uh, hosted by Jill Norwood at Jillian Norwood Designs, Greenwood Girl Cards. And once again, I want to thank her for hosting this Saturday Morning Makes. You can check all the others who are participating by entering that hashtag either on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you can join in as well by using that same hashtag. All right, I want to thank all of you for being here today watching my video, those who have subscribed, and my returning subscribers. I really appreciate the new ones and the returning subscribers. So as I have said in my two previous videos, I am in an ATC swap, and we were making extras for each other this month. And so that my video wouldn't be so long, I broke it into three. This is my final one today that I will show you. So what I used today, somewhere I was gifted this little box of scriptures for women. So I used some out of that. And I'm into these pumpkins right now. So I use this Hero Arts pumpkin, this Jaded Blossom. I love this one. There's a die set in here also. This is a Stampin' Up. This was Pick a Pumpkin from that set. I use this. I don't remember what it's called. I don't have the packaging. Pretty sure it's a Sizzix that I got sort of along with this Sizzix bag, treat bag. Okay, I also use the Martha Stewart shears, these. And I've had these, I guess, since they were first released, and I had never used them, so I did pull those out, and I used those today. So I'm going to start with what's right here before you. I learned to make these several years ago. A lot of times people put tea bags in them, but anyway, I have them. This flower, again, was from my stash of flowers I've made a long time ago, and this is some graphic 45 paper, and I have candy here and in the back, and I'm going to also put a piece of candy here in the center. The second one is the same, just different paper, and this is a flower probably from Hobby Lobby. The third one, I put stickles out on the centers of the flowers, and this is a Dollar Tree flower. This one is a flower I made. Again, I'm not sure. I think it's Sizzix, but I'm not positive. And it will have candy as well. Now, this next one is from Susan Campfield. It is an envelope punch board treat box, and I will have a link to her channel where she shows how to make these. These are darling, and they are so quick and easy to make. So on the inside, I'll have some embellishments and also candy. And there's a flower from Hobby Lobby and a leaf just for, and I put a ribbon on one, but I wanted something, a different closure. And I looked, and I had these clips from a long time ago. So I pulled these out, and I was happy to finally use them. I think they really add a little bit to this treat box. That's one. And I don't know, I think this yellow might be my favorite. That's the second one with the brown. This is Stampin' Up paper, Stamping Up paper. I think all of these are Stamping Up. This one has Dollar Tree flowers. And I found the clips to match each one. This was probably the first one I made, and I put the ribbon on it. Okay, then using that treat bag, I made these, and I used the Martha Stewart scissors to cut the little fringe. And here's where I put the scripture and also a piece of candy. Decorated the front of each little treat bag with whatever flowers that I had in my stash of things I have made. I don't know if that's stand or not. Okay, this one is the same except the flowers. The flower is different. Then this one is different. And years ago, I had a bad knee, and while I couldn't get around, I just made a bunch of sporelli little embellishments. Never used those either, so I pulled this one out and put that behind that flower that I also made, and the Tim Holtz sentiment from his Small Talk. I love those books. They make it so easy to embellish. Want to stand there. Okay, and the last one is the same except for the flower. Okay, the final thing that I made using another one, that other treat bag, and the pumpkins. I am in love with these pumpkins. So this one I think is the Stampin' Up die, and I used some of this table scatter from Hobby Lobby that I think I'm going to have to add a little glue here. I don't know. And some greenery. I think this all came with this one Stampin' Up set I showed. I've enjoyed those just sitting on my table looking at them for the past couple of weeks. The second one, the paper is graphic 45, but this is, I think this is the Hero Arts pumpkin. And you see I just gathered some ribbon here and glued it to the center and put some those aren't sequins, but I guess enamel beads there. The third one is again, Hero Arts pumpkin, same as that one. And I guess I didn't have a Jaded Blossom then. I'm sorry. I thought I did. That will be another video. And the final one is this one. So that's what I have for you today. The end of what I am sharing with my ATC SWAT group. All right. I thank you so much for watching. Please go and check out all the others. Thanks again to Jill. Stay safe, be blessed, and Todah.